Kitara Girls, Hakitara TV, enteekaniza eno neekuleeterwa aba
Kawalega Resorts, Hoima, your adventure starts with us.
na Nyoro Kitara Convention eyo muludo gwa kabiri hamuna
Cubs Juice. Taste the refreshness from the sauce.
Kanu Kaire ka Violence.
Sango mukazi ali very single, ready to mingle. Ota mukusaba lero mukega genda kusaba
night prayer Monday to Monday.
Ngweno msajja chonka buli musajja kugamba ono omujuma n'omwezi.
Attitude okukera.
Oikara weno zibire, you're not welcoming.
Gaya lesero mwisiki ati no mwisiki yasanga maybe okumukiro bulungi.
I know.
Ati wo waitress nagena kutera heri attitude.
Ajura kuse abakazi they are so impatient. Ekinte ki hao mukazi waya bwangu tikiha omusajja waya bwangu.
Kitara TV kwegesa kumanyisa.
Tuwatangirira abarozi baita ba Kitara TV nkabulikira mabara Alaine nkongera kubasima mwebale ku likinga mwebale ku subscribinga mwebale no sharinga nkabulikiro nyina co-host Kathy
Ninyowe mwebale muno kutugo amabara gange nkabulikiro ninyo omwana wanyo wa Masingi omo words bamwine Catherine mwebale kutugonza mwebale kutoleka engonzi turugireyo jinja mwebale kutugonza kyalero tuinaho guest white on mumumanyire CEO Windy Fast Foods mwisiki muto mwisiki bambe akozere muno kwika nambara ali agenda kubasobora jemvudde aba motivating bayira bamwongere kumuhagira tuinaho guest white ono nawe agenda kwebaliriza CEO Windy's Fast Foods. You're welcome there.
Thank you. My name is Wendy, born from Bali but working and staying here. Hoima. Hoima is my second home because I have a lot of friends here. I have business here, Wendy's Fast Food Restaurant.
So where is Wendy located? Which kind of?
Just behind HB as you're going to Butiaba Road. Before you reach Bam petrol station.
Kandi buli kyasabiti is it Sunday they always have Lusania. Lusania wa rubahe byokulya bingi bambi. So supporter kandi we know nyikaire nawe by the we met in 2016. I think we were now was it senior 6 back?
Yes.
Yeah, so tubaire na Windy for a very long time. Era I'm so happy that twikaire to progressing and twerora. Winning one amanyire handugire.
Became good for her.
I know, yes. Hoima ekamukolera kandi agira omutima mulungi. She's a friend of mine. I think I've not had wrangles with him. Ata muntu mulunga yendeza. So mumuhagire Windy Fast Foods orusaniya rwe runura bantinywe and at a very affordable price.
Min is 35, lad is 50,000.
Okay. So I'm gonna to extend my sincere appreciations Banana Resorts Ginger. Kengere mwikareni mutu followinga social media handles. Weekend ya wele tukaba Ginger. Guys, Kathy, how was the trip to Ginger?
Leka nkugambire urata kagenda ga Banana Resort tukaliro bomezi.
I saw the pictures.
The place is so good, the environment bojota yo kajanja busayo minwa ebyo kulya bojonka lye fish kabenyisire bunuzi kataitende teresukali bunuzi boje bantinywe baina good service, the beach, everything is so organized. Era iwo muntu noenda kuchakara noenda kumuraho noenda kutwara omwaga onekege kututwara hantu hayihonka tugaruka by that tugaruka mu mukaga.
Yeah.
Bambi webale muno tukusima management ya Banana Resort for hosting us. Mukat hosting buli kimu kiona. Boje tukusima muno mwebale kutugonza and trust me we had so much fun. Nkaikanya yebwa mbu alobu tubonaabona n'olwo bwomezi bwono bwina mu ngalo.
No, bonabona because of not moving. You people, do you have your loved ones? Do you have a honeymoon? Do you want just a staycation or what?
Birthday.
It's a private place for lovers. Nankakala kantaka kala kumtima kali. Imagine.
Kale oliyo kogira mutima mubi.
Nanyo ndatunga omwana kumproposing.
Sweet.
Aha kanta.
Kali honyine.
Gaza abantu bahoima oliyo kogira mutima mubi ogire iko ikaramukwara n'abantu. Gendo umulo okimanyira ogaruko ino mutima murungu. Ogendozi bana nyo kire kintu.
Okimanyira kagenda nyino muto umbirira nkagaruka nyebe.
Ego.
So about that you being bantu yenyo kantaka nyati nagama is
actually
nyati nagama is better ubunagenzereho it became fun. Thank you so much Banana Resort Beach.
Thank you so much.
You really gave us those ticks. Now in Hoima we are celebs, you know that because of that.
Yes, Tulibanta Babandi is one of the first people to go there.
Exactly.
And we recommend it. Bana nywe kintu kiri kibojo bantinywe. Nywe kinkubaza ho nkimanya nkabakuri obomezi buhindu. By the way abantera gamasimu kimayiti nyakwataga. Obomezi bukanubunulira.
Obo bwire bukabutandika.
I know.
So aba Banana Resort kubasanga nyenga bugoba jinja kandi nkwenda abajukiza ntinge ebiro 13 ne ebiro 15 oine motoka oine pikipiki zine zempaka bakugeta TT Drugs and Drifts Uganda VIP eri mitwaro 10 VVIP mitwaro 20 boku bano enda kukora registration iyo we pikipiki eri mitwaro 10 iyo we motoka eri mitwaro 2 kandi entrance fee eri gumu kichweka that is a early bird and then boku bano sasulira gate kuba mitwaro 2 so boku bano enda kusasula online okusaku dialing *217 *413 hash no gena option 2 ya buy ticket and then no entering ID eri 0592 hati aba Banana Resort okusaku basanga 0703 0773 683120 na 0747 312408 kani nkwenda kubajukiza ntingu na room reserves gena kuba open soon so bokuba no gena mu honeymoon nikimanyisa once you enter into Banana everything is there, you don't need to move out.
I think we should get a team from Hoima to get the
exactly. By the way producer, we should organize that. Yeah, kwenda kubajukiza aba Cubs juice. So Cubs juice okumsanga Central Market aina all kinds of juices. Kengeni mukuru aka juice akarongi kanu. You drink a juice and you get satisfied immediately. Do you have stress over oina anxiety over depression or what? So you can find a Cubs juice on 0781 43 84 66 or Airtel 0704 15 32 30. By now na ice cream. Kanda ba Cubs juice opening na branch endi enyuma ya Bunyoro ekiombeko kya Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom enyuma. So our ice cream nihe kanyira muno. So ba visiting or ba terale gesimu for all kinds of juices and juice delivery.
Nkabulikiro our main sponsors Kabalega Resorts. Banu bo bamanyire the comfort zone bojo Kabalega byot ebya Kabalega tingamba banange all the good service nkongera kubajukiza that they have 2 branches by na Masindi branch 84 kilometers from Masindi town along Masindi Kampala road, then the second branch in Utuloho eriha Hoima located in Hoima 4 kilometers from Hoima city along Masindi Hoima road. Bojo baina services nungi room zabo bojo like busayo biga like toko ubimanyire oli mu town bidongo manyona akora bojo environment is so sweet, the swimming kwegamba conference hall is big enough, mwina workshop or in a birthday party bojo mwije mubeyunire, the environment is so good.
Gym
I know baina gym baina steam baina sauna kwegamba buli kimu kyona iwe boka kucheckinga ina Kabalega resort buli kimu kyono kibalekere kandi they are, by the way services zabo ziri very friendly, they are so affordable kinu nkwena nkibagambe muje mu enjoying let a family yawe baina rooms mwingi even as you speak now abana bakuswimming just know since it's a Sunday just know ngakiasabiti habayo zumba every nanka omwezi gutandika every first Sunday of the month, is it? Yeah, so habayo zumba muje mwegonze muje munyumirwe okubasanga ha numbers okuba no genda oliho imahano okubasanga numbers 03 9 31 93 860 ege number ya Hoima then wokuba oli Masindi okubasanga 03 92 900 900 kangi garuke mege okubasanga 03 kenda na ibiri kienda 0 mwenda na 00 obayi mweta note muje mbahagire the services are top notch boje byokulya bya boje nyotinga mbalo bwolya no bura no gamba boje kikikini yo so muije muba abantu abagenda nibagamba boko hatayo habagayiga honko oikana menu no gamba bantu kabali cheap muno so you come let omuntu wawe habayo na live band kwe gamba nyonku gambe checkinga in iwe buli kimu kyono kibalekere kwenda kubajukiza na nimbajukiza na Bunyoro Kitara UK International nkabulikiro nyongera kubajukiza Bunyoro Kitara UK International ebalekere da Bunyoro Kitara UK International Convention egenda kubayo ku mukaga ebira 27 mpaka 29 bojo bantinye muje mugeyunire nko kunyabagambire bulikiro nko kumbagamba nti theme yabo eri history, heritage, culture and exploring investment opportunities in Bunyoro Kitara. Obokura investment opportunities akagambo opportunity okamanya kuba no sa funira memigisa so bayira haliyo na white patali abagwambi bayingi haliyo guest of honor from different places ekintu kyona kirike bojombi bwenegeni babiranga na was it UBC kwegamba Bunyoro Kitara tugiteke ha map bantinwe abanyoro tuje twegonze bayira babigenda kuba UK kokumbagambye Grand Safari Hotel so kukutaha mukasente katito muno for details okusa contacting of course you can visit www.bunyorokitara.uk.com ogendo manye bike ebiriyo for more details baitegenda kuba ya 27 mpaka 29 okomukaga mwaka guno
topic yetu ya kyalero ekugamba you can't have a second chance for the first impression kimkusa kuhindura murunyoro nkagamba ntingu bo kuba for example chain omuntu omurundi gwa ugo kubanza exisa nikyo kumuhereza oba kirungo oba kibi tokusobora kigaruza yenyuma okubokuba mu chain okuba mu train so njya kutanika kubaza hekyo nyonka nyowe enyuma onkarorao aka story ya Facebook omukazi akaba nagena ku interviewing abantu buyayikire hamuli yango ya nagesente omudidi gwe sente aba interviewers balo hao kumbe kuno omuntu abakana agena ku interviewing nawe akabali muomwo so abaisiki bakome sente bakoraki babagana mwe sente ezo hata omukazi bakana omuntu natoze sente obazikomere bazimba bazinaga mubaga yondo omukazi little did they know that is the person who is going to interview them exactly so a topic enu ni hahe kulandingira aho what do you say about that
ekingenda agamba topic enu ekintu kino kiri very wide in relationships you know like society it's not even gamambu relationship just all akwaine but in a society yo kuikaramu business it is something very wide gonza business personal ngenda kubaza business ogenda kusanga omuntu ina business let's say duka over any type of business let even say hotel or anything ikintu kyone kyo kweta business by the way kastoka ba mu hospitality industry whereby okora muno mu bantu hospitality industry oba mu kunkenga like kirikinte kikatinga cross very many types of businesses omuntu wena embaza yawe halonka bagambaho I went somewhere nkaba nyine kinkwenda nyino muntu nyabaire ngenzere kurora so we had a meeting nyaika tinga kubaza hotel nyayikiroho omusika kampa bad attitude and personally nyo yabaira recommending ngiro muntu ogwo nyamugamba you know what we can meet and talk from here so yambanzayo so ato muiskaine mulingo yandabizemo whereby it wasn't appropriate for such a hospitality industry kundabi yotyo era kinyakozere nyagambo muntu nyamugamba you know what kwa to hindre location so first inkokutubalize first impression omuntu wena kasitoka muolekya that first impression matters a lot
exactly
the way you handle people mu business halobo sange business omuntu nasorora ntono takuzoke sente no nuga okura so omuntu wena first impression nobora abonugire kyalero I'm going to have that thing in my head mboko bogenda yo katha kunuga oba lena kurabya kubi oba windy treats you bad okura so banti your first impression matters no musajja bora ogenzera ku meetinga ebigambo byobaza nawe I'm talking abaisiki mulekege kuolekya that over for you first impression matters because the kiroki obanze kurora all in nwa yanguha kujudge ngakorora the kind of person that you are so you really need sometimes kurora work on yourself orolembu iwe first impression yawe is it worth a look after like that meeting gola kagenda akagamba let me go and talk to this girl I really want to meet this girl after this because some of you nkiororo meeting omuntu and the wo muruga how tagaruka kuterera first impression matters both in business relationships society enyerabya yawe personal abantu ababaho agira abamanyire no role aikara wena to giving that approachable you know face most of business atosanga Julius producer waitono aikara na mwenya you know na kuolekea that you can come and talk to him about something but alobo orora abantu iwe face yawe no yelekea not approachable no romuntu okera kutura chonka iwe ikarasa yona with the gloomy face you're very sad obaza so you're so arrogant so omuntu ayizire kwehabuzo wange wigi oba izire gura bedroom product ni mugaruka mukubi ntamanyira ora ayizire kwehabuza something and they're going to come back nkyo kurora jagenda asanga the same product somewhere but they will insist to come back to Kathy because personally nyaba customer ba customer ngi bamanyira I take time to explain to someone team fayo bonwa kwisana ata I really explain to someone and I give you that time so first impression ekwetagibwa muno in society or inakuleka impression ekoleke omuntu that they would really want to talk to you again they would really want all love to meet you again so bantinyo itwena leka trying kuhindura henyera bya yaitu because first impression matters a lot omuntu akumeetinga nagamba muntu onuka I was doing something here and the CEO Windy Fast Foods told me Kathy you're so good at marketing because abaire na nyondi hatebonye nebinkubaza yarora our talking na rather that I'm really good at marketing so that is first impression but wokumoleka that for you iweki akusigara atabone iweki into kioli so Winnie you can also talk about that you know what do you have to talk about that first impression?
First impression is very, very important. Even if you're wali kumudala on the road selling, smile is very, your face, smile. Put
faking smile.
Even if you have problems, just go and once you report for work, put that smile on your face. Be nice to everyone.
I know.
From the cleaner, just be nice. It will work out for you.
And for ladies, just to add up on something, abandi baingi mukara mugamba bakubeta bakaikuru. some of you mugira muno gloomy face all the time kyosanga mwezingire muno face
no smiling
ikara no mutima mubo mara muntu wo mutima mbe no bwarore kintu taseka so it's not that bakubeta abakuru oba mukutweta abakuru but sometimes let's work on our kasmile ako kwikara oli jole ati nyo hani nikara nintalibaniza muno hano nikara ninyesekesa producer ngensa mutalibaniza hasho hano so
tukusobora ku repeating emirundi
nkaikumi sekanaga cut baitu abantu nywele katu kalege with that you know no ikara no seka not because oli kidingwa but it really helps
but by the way ngoba mukukaro umuntu ina face
I know
ayambirwa
kumugenda hala abantu baja narabawo kyonka no mwasmile na you know naga kangene nyetegereze but alobo abantu abamanyire sa yona ikara face yona eri gulume no sanga weno yatikire oli muntu mwana muntu
you never ganda sometimes you sanga street away kubagura ikintu cyakwe
akirito mugura
amuita mkwano
mkwano wanyiridde runo yeah by the
there is a restaurant we went in Jinja when agenzere gure emire late in the night when I went alone guys akabaho mu school bantu enyu omwisika ka parking emere yahimbe mere nyamgama let me carry the food no omwisika yaturukiye emere mu restaurant yayeta border yanyiha emere omwisiki yangamba first seat I give you the food
I know
so give me reasons why I should not go back to that
restaurant
yeah exactly
gonza nambali twagenzere for our lunch I think it was our it was a Sunday yes nambali twagenzere bakatufaho kurungi remember when we sat as a team bakufaho kanu should we bring this kajuice kwegamba bantinywe nkinu nkibaza you know abantu abaina like hotels or business owners mufeyo gakumanya what happens hatogenda kwesanga abantu mwina front offices tumukumanya nti ono muntu umwateyiroho akubinga ba customer
exactly
by the unyondora abantu ni tunuranka nege hotel it's a very good hotel but omuntu atawa front desk egyo umanyira ati butuba front desk ala haba isikabo abagira enugu let's say nugu obeiko na romiski boba kumusinga na gama no miskata izire hano kora kino
especially bana kandi kine kitu kibanana abantu bana babalesere gaya lesero muisiki hatino muisiki yasanga maybe okumukiro burungu hati wo waitress nagena kutera heri attitude
ajura kuse
no muletera menu na no mugamba this is the list of the foods you have obe bitali ha menu byona ro mugambira because akuloleseze lile liso manyengera kugamba give me water
nkwenda abahereza kakodyo kani I worked in a hospitality industry not as a waitress or something but mbimanyire muno babanza if they can ask hospitality industry bakwabuza omwana mama na musaija hwawo sakubanza kuservinga of course abamwana nibona nyina abakazi they are impatient women are so impatient if you're out there and you're a waitress you're working in a hospitality industry anywhere mumanyire abakazi they are so impatient ekinte kihawo mukazi waya bwangu tikihawo musajja waya bwangu so atosanga by the way abakanda aba waitress mugiro muze gwo kuvuruga abakazi batayibani there's a time I was there down egyo kijunga around there omuntu yaija we had ordered for food no before even ordering omusiki yaija do you know musika karamuki omusajja wenka
omusikiti abakabaine
yes tianda mukia and me I'm someone who is open minded because me personally because from hospitality industry yes mbairona faults zange but of course I know how to handle people so tingenda kuija on the table because a lady looks good and I fail to greet them okimanyira omukazi nuwa alemesa nomusajja kagamba leka tube hano bale katugende hali hey, Julius producer if I tell you we are going out and I insist let's go to Arrows let's go to Kabalega Resort let's go tokurora so sometimes eke kintu mukiyebwa bantu nywe kinu nkibagambira bworaba noenda kuba muntu akwendebwa abantu around you in a hospitality industry learn to respect ladies but your women are so impatient gonze ngenzera out nkahura mbebyo kulya byange bikerero saga ngamu msajja we ebintu byaitu kan bikere but msajja a man is very okay with it but ijo mukinywe mukiyebwa a woman is very impatient So if you find a group of ladies or a group of like family, banzo mwana, because the kid is always a kid.
Yeah.
Kwato mwana mubanze, then the mother and the father. Because abasajja they have that patience. So in abakazi, women are very ba waitress over people, service providers. You overlook that. But trust me, women are so impatient. Nkokura me, I go out or what, but there are some specific people. Let me even give you an example. Shout out to this girl at Arrows, Tendo. Yona Jali. She's so good at what she does. I'm not saying that she's the only good person, but for the times I always meet her, she's always that person. Ayanguhira abantu. That she's there and over okuzokota, over you're looking so smart. She has no business with mbom obo kusinga obo musinga chino obo kolachi. She's so good. So banange, keep it up, you girl. Nebwabanga she has a friend that hates you. So she does her job. She's so friendly. So in fact, it's first impression, because how did I know that Tendo is a good girl?
Yes, exactly.
Without her giving me that first impression, I can like, hey, what do you want? Hello, even if you're good, or is it you're moody? So first impression here again that you're a bad girl, even if you're a good girl. But first impression, she's a very good girl. Winnie.
Another thing, if you're owning a business, try to avoid girls' drama. If you put yourself in, they are very good clients. Once you put yourself more your drama, you lose clients.
Ladies are well known for spending.
Yes, they spend.
And they even influence us men.
I know.
But I will come there this weekend, I promise.
This Sunday we are coming.
Yeah, actually, we will come there.
You get a producer who hang a producer to take a munyo sente. So this time I need to go back together what Winnie's, with this first.
So nyongenda kuongera kutopinga ekintake my fellow people. Kya first impression ekyo. Especially kinu chinja kibaza out of experience, but inja kibaza out of course the movies we watch it's real life.
They're very educating.
Very educative, yeah. So you find a lady me agenzere bine bintu bikira kuba homba Nigeria agenzere munji ya boyfriend webunda sangireyo omukazi alindate. So the lady natandika kureactinga, you are the maid, wiki bitwalizenka at the end of the day you find that is the mother-in-law. So then the mother-in-law decides you're not going to get married to my son. So you see how you're gonna lose a man because of the first impression.
I know, bad character.
Yeah, kanda bantu abo after we're finding out, the person can pretend, oh my God, no gamba, I wish I had a camera or something, I record the person. Yeah, but regardless, let's continue being kind. Kind is the key, because if you are unkind, all those things happen because of bad hearts and whatsoever.
Alakantu kajabalizo last week. In fact, nako cutting across like kalimu first impression. Abakazi inywe sometimes mugenda numubaza mbu I need to settle down, I need a man, I need to find true love. Chonka ogira, you're so impatient. Ogira urujagaraire, ogira, first of all, nike kimbagamba omusajja gena nakukwana nokwata because you're so judgmental. Mujudginga nanka kajwaire bisiripa tainamu kata kuvuge motoka tainamu. Not a priority yawe telini yo ondi abanayo. Some people Julius ajagamba likamba nze nyombeke likamba nze nguleta kale kamba nze nyombeke kintu kyange kinkwenda then I buy a car okura chonka okwenda oli akurara hali chonka bokuba ine motoka. Sometimes bantu nyumwege kuba patient. Omusajja wena bwakukwana omulingo mugarukamu niye yolekya nti oli mukazi ayikirire.
Exactly.
But no matter how beautiful you are, nkyokula there are some women I know embaza yabu niye balemeseze ensi.
Kuswerwa.
Gonza tukuli kuswerwa. Niye balemeseze bulwani, niye balemeseze bulikimu, niye balemeseze biki because embaza yabo. Oba oli murungo tabayitu oina a bad attitude. Msajja agenda kuja ngambe Kathy how are you? Yeah. Kathy how are you? I love you but I want to get to know you. Nkwate mujume. Trust me, muleke kubaho numujajinga numwekomoroza you know omuntu wena bokubota kumwenda baza nawe kurunge. Give them time muhulirize chongo sango kikunyenda nanye tikigira sente nikyo kwesango taina muntu because iwe ebikutwara maiso teyenda kumanya byo maiso all you want to know is kinu aina kinu baina kinu togirambaza. Some of you mugenda kule mwensi kitalina relationship yonka tumugirambaza embaza basajja bono babingira bwo munwa gwawe iwa kugamba hona nokwata no mujuma abandi babateka na status
na mujuma
na mupostinga na mugamba yoleka kumanyira manya biki. You guys, it's not called for haba kuboli kimuli kinu nkibajukiza that omukazi wena bakimuli njo kula kubantu baza tubatanu kame hananka kabalega resort hano halo heavy yake ale bimuli birungi naite twemera ntwegomba nuga kintu kinu kirungi chokati mbwe kimuli kigamba onu kathe tahikira kunyegomba. No, abakazi tubabimuli. So you need to understand that women are flowers. So buli omaina koraki kwegomba. Baiti wo mukazi niwo komamu. No gamba this person tinda mwendo baki. Chonka mleke kumanyira basajja babani kubajuma kubarabya mama isaba kuba kukwaine. Wa kukwaine aine kya kuyira ale.
Kya kande kizibagende.
Mind ye. Osanga omukazi ali very single. Ready to mingle. Ota mukusaba lero mukega genda kusaba
night prayer Monday to Monday.
Ngweno msajja chonka buli musajja kugamba ono omujuma no omwezi.
Attitude okukera.
Oikara weno zibire you're not welcoming. Iwe buli musajja kuja kugamba ono omujuma. Tomanyira ogwo musajja wo kujuma orundi ni wali your future husband. Okura so women let's start mutandike kuba welcoming. Tibagambe mbu buli musajja woranyumya nawe mbu agenda kuba akwenda kubyamaho. Halobo osanga okimanya there is a time kaba nindu bata gwa crown nindu gamuka. A guy stopped. Ati singanya bere a girl with a bad attitude akana mpabuza kana arugire side zo wange kuli yayemera nko mukazi we na yemera atali buli motoke kwemera kwenda kukura ekwenda akora yemera by the way mubihe mutogo kyolekya mbuto stolina exposed by the way otakimanyire omuntu wena muntu akwemera ukayimuka na bad attitude you're showing you're not exposed, probably you're not learned, you're just there. Omuntu akanyemera yanga mbga hey nyamba by the way I'm looking for eka kabaza no murugano nonya ekeriwa nanya mugamba eriwa libi. Guy was so happy agamba desisubira mwalanga gwe kuyimirira kukiriza kubuza chenja gala you know baito sangondi iwendeka sagala manya all itaka
boyfriend.
I have a boyfriend, I have a man. You people noborabo taina noborabo ina you guys learn to be so welcoming. Tomanya opportunities era gayo gakagaruka mutawuni munu yagaruka ya ntoza koza gave him my number yangamba oli muntu murungi muno biki ya ntoza yandetero mukazi we kugure wigi yebei. So bantu nyo let's be so welcoming. Yo singo chonka kajagaraire kawe omutima mubi oikara wena with bad attitude atorafu no musajja ogya kumwiha.
Hana sobire mwa pastor.
Baida ba pastor baba jwahire oli bakutokera pastor mkwenda musajja nkwenda musajja chonka buli musajja okumunuga ogwalati ogwabiki muleke kujajinga gabasajja by the abasajja biro binu lere sente zibamazire mu bakazi enyo esente bantinye yauka nikyo kula abantinye abakazi bayingi tumugya kuswerwa oba tumugenda kwikara mu relationships because the sente zibatwaire munama iso oli nagambo go taina motoka tinku muswerwa batinku mwendo batinku mwemera be so welcoming ogya kurora your life is going to change totally.
Obo kuba no yendo we motoka gena nambero parking ire yawo
garuka muwebale muno
exactly
gendo parking namba genda washing beno yoge motoka yawo ogya kusanga yo
exactly
Engeso abantu tebalina mpisa. You find a group of people ngaba today you pass without even greeting them and then wotuka eri maso you get a problem.
I know.
Until you come back and
ask maybe you lost or something.
oba bakutomeire
garukamu
ate talina ngeso tibakuleka ono yayana so abantu ekizibu ekitulina life tugiteire mu movie life is not an Indian movie.
I know.
It's not that you're going to your husband or your wife is not is not going to come from heaven and fall like this and marry you with your bad behaviors and whatsoever. You people, let's behave. Discipline is the first key to everything, regardless of what. In Kakathenko bagambirege, beauty is not only on the face.
It's not, you guys.
It's not only on the face. We have seen many abaisika babi, they are sorry to say so. Niba kusanga they have succeeded in life. They are being married. Osanga muntu wena na like for example jo baisikenyo, I'm sorry to say but this is the truth. Okusanga muisika funiro musaija showe. I have a friend by the way, and I know I'm going to say this and you're going to know that you're the one, but that is on you. I have a friend, iwagira omugisa gwa basajja bagaiga, let me say so. Chonka kuhangara nabo not even 1 month.
I know.
Because of the month.
Nyalo umanyeta hangara gonza basajja gonze banywani tosano kuikara nawe myezi.
Kandi ohasa omunwa. Bantu nyomunwa gunu they say tongue can burn the whole forest.
I know, yeah.
Omunwa gunu bantu nye nigo gukutulemese birungi nigo ogukutuhikia harungi hatugena nigo kano gukutulemesa kendeza omunwa attitude wewe
era bakazina kaba kamwako akazina kamwako
exactly nikyo nkugamba ntinga abantu life bagiteire mu movie ogyagenda orole movie oli omusajja wayakumurabya kube muno agaruka amwende hatiwe newe nogaruka kuno omusajja nokwata no mujuma no mulisa kinu no nangisa kona no murangira nakiri habo kuwa in the game in the end of the in the movie at the end of the renting the man is going back to his wife hanu kuriola amrio ground bilala nikyo bakubaterera abantu
sajja yaliza gwe akomaoleti
omunwa abakazi nyomba gamba muno omusajja sigara ali musajja kintu kino mugya kinobera chonko musajja banti nyembaza nyo banti nyo singanyali muntu leti manyira halobo bano muntu no baite embaza omusajja sigara ali musajja banti nyo kino nkibaza obataha tasigara ali musajja
kafenko na kuongereza ha point ye sente baisike sente zikyatulemesa munonka kafengera kagambi okusanga muisiki weremereirwe toine kigarukaho toine kyonko musajja kubana kyakukwano tandikire bizibo okwenda kino
bana kyakukana mbu nkwende business batu mukumanyira basajja
mukumanyira yagamba all girls in Hoima hungry
by the way
omukwana kati I'm hungry
kazi ko mwanyu ndi hungry tugeno mwawendi harusania mujja kudiba bantu omusajja bizibu bifokere bizibu hantwini you don't. Let's first fix ourselves. Iwe kenyini nike bagamba in class attracts class, value attracts value, and money attracts money.
So
me I exactly there is no man who is stingy. Are you worth it to be invested in? Are you worth it for that business? Aro muntu nduwo kumsagamba nyina emitwara 2 hano ngokolera okyagamba bugamba tu tugenda rusania zona tuzimale but every time your mind is in trips, your mind is there, but you want a business from the man from nowhere okwende dera abasajja bagambe from nowhere omusajja mulegere esimu but bojo basikini
kande kindi it's even cuts across and you know enyerabya yawe ngeso zino let me talk as a mother enyerabya yawe if you're so welcoming nabana bawo bakiega nyala abana bandora no sakubaho naija na nyina natasano kuramuke omwana ali so stubborn omwana taina ngeso omwana banti nyoleka tukuza abana baitu mu ngere nungi omwana wokuba n'olubatana wo mu tawuni toramukya tokorako olimo kunuga abantu ekaranuhara maisa abantu omwana wo nukwagiyakura so this thing cuts across tuleke n'okiteka abasajja bonka oba trying to make men happy or women happy but even our kids omwana wange leka akule n'arora nti mama wange akora kinu mama wange ayerabya ati mama wange is so welcoming ogenda kuba n'ojuma abantu asimu omwana akubuura
aizira omugenyi akudomeera amaizi
kandi mukafune kintu kyokuhesa kinu leka mbagambire haloho abantu bamanyire oba n'okyarugaho n'akufoora mboozi oba n'okyarugaho n'akufoora mboozi so omwana wawe ayikaliraho kathendugiro ontandikire kumbaza so omwana ogwo ogenda kumwolekeza kimu that omuntu kumuhesa it is something very normal bantu nyo let's try to abaana baitu kubakuza nyowe engeri nyakuzire I'm not going to say mamanga kankuza kurungi muno bati ale ebintu bitasakora and I'm so thankful to my mother because ale ebintu bitasakora so na ebintakuzibwemu ebigamba mbu nyakubaire ndi better nkwenda bana bange ndibateekemu
exactly
bantu nyo mwege kwerabya kulunga abantu abandi timugirambaza omwana wawe na at a very young age omwana wawe nabakizibo omwana wawe asata so disrespectful waraba n'omukozi omwana omukozi akumutera maiso gawe you people bantu ala abantu bandora you guys ala abantu bandora nenaku ninkwata malo omwana nakwata ekikopo ayikalira omukozi ayikalira omwana wawe nakwata ekikopo natera omukozi nakwata namutera oruhi nayo ikalire amana wanga kahoka you people stop the things bantu nyo abana banyu mugenda kubalemesa ensi omwana wawe ine myaka 3 akutigomya omukozi akumweta kunaba kwasira muteire omwiko amusangira kwasira muchumisire omuyo akwasira amukozereki bantu nyo you people let's try so much kuteka mengeso abana baitu twerabye mu bwintu omwana wange nyowe kinu nkibaza tasakwemera katero omukozi ndo tasano omugaruka mu ngeri omwana wa mwoleke that omukozi is another mother abakazi mukebwe kintu ekyo in that omwana wa tasakugaruka mu omukozi oba omukozi akamweta let's say Ashley come and bathe bunda abantu alombo omwana nayanga boraba olonbona ikiriza make that omwana kula manyiro omukozi ogwo obo omuntu wokozesa that house manager alinkanyina in that waramugamba it's time for homework omwana amanye bwire bwa homework kyonka bantinywa abazaire nanyo mwino mulingo mukuza abana mubakuza mubatekama ebyejo abandi mubirora style omwana wange takora kino mwana you people abana banyu mubalimire ekina bajja kuba ahantu bataina no kuganja
what if you die tomorrow
I know omukozi omwana bojonyala abantu bamanyira omukozi omwana narabyo omukozi nkakasasiro abakikuburuganka kirugaliwo muzaire nyo mwana wange tagenda kuri omukozi ne murabyanko omuntu akamurabya nkikisoro so bantu nyo nanyo muleke abana banyu mubateke mengese zikwikara mbantu omwana mumanyise mbubuli bwaba mbantu aina koraki kuramukia abana mbaihe mu ngambo personally I cannot be sitting koro nkunyumya nina aleni we are having a girl talk biki abana bange baroba kuliriza you guys abana banyu mbaihe mbintu byekikuru it's going to help your kids bakuzire abana bange bakimanyirera obaba barozere nyina abantu balobi kibikize go out and play bamanyire it's not omwana anga kagamba ho omuntu omuntu akabananywa kawaini yamugamba Ashley come and take this yagamba no that is for that is for adults akakibaza nomunye yagamba ebe bintu bya bakuru omwana otamolekate something okay at a young age kuba na kora kinu no omwana omoleke ali mwana muto mukuspoilinga abana banyu bantu it's not only tuleke kusemeza abasajja n'abakazi ntwe babana bantu as mothers try to show nti abakozi banu they can groom your kids no sanga omukozi akwasira omwana wa mulisiza amazi because embera yo mutekao so mukozi okumwikaza mu anger issues bwokubotalona gaka nkwato mwana onu mupame mukanwa nkwato mwana mulisa amazi tokurora so abakozi bano nabo mubatwale kulungi ba mama niba balindira abana
so kubasema abarozi bayita bakyaloho but of course mwongere ku subscribinga mu commenting mu liking and of course tukena ba Cubs juice akajuice akarungi and then a lunch tugenda tukaina ba Kabalega Resorts and of course Bunyoro Kitara Convention. So tukiali ha topic ya itere ya first impression. So tugaruka na more views on that. And of course tukaina our beautiful guest Wendy. We are going to have more views about that topic.
Discover your home away from home at Kabalega Resorts, Hoima, located just 4 kilometers from Hoima City on the Hoima-Masindi Road. A real resort in an eco-environment, nestled near the stunning Albertine Escarpment and historic Mparo Royal Tombs. We are the perfect blend of convenience and charm. Treat yourself to our cozy rooms, mouth-watering meals at the restaurant, and refreshing moments in our outdoor pool. Whether you're here for business or leisure, our conference facilities, camping grounds, and fun-filled kids' playground are ready for you. Escape, relax, reconnect at Kabalega Resorts, Hoima. Your adventure starts with us. Book today.
Mwebaleyo mu break yaitege tubaire mu katoito tukubasema muno kuba ni mukyalo bayira bamwongere mu subscribing mu sharing mu liking mu commenting kandi mwongere mutwereze views zanyu inyo abarozi baitu about first impression. Yeah. So of course tukena aba Cubs juice okubasanga Central Market High Guru. So ba opening in any branch enyuma ya Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom ekyo. So our Cubs juice by all types of juices, smoothies, smokies, and of course na ice cream. So our Cubs juice obasanga 0781 43 84 66 na 0704 153230. So kusaba terera nambezo to get the best services and the best juices around town.
Nkongera kubajukizaho our main sponsors that are Kabalega Resort, the one and only Kabalega Resorts. For now baina 2 branches and the 3rd branch is coming. Baina branch ya Hoima ne branch ya Masindi. Masindi is 4 kilometers from Masindi town along Masindi Kampala Road. Then Hoima is Hoima 4 kilometers from Kampala City. From Hoima City along Masindi Hoima Road by nanka services zabu nunge buli kimu kiona iwe nkugambireke checkinga in obagenda Kabalega buli kimu kiona okubalikire okubasanga namba zabu nka ya Hoima okubasanga 0393 19 38 60. Then wa Masindi okubasanga 0392 90 0900. So bayiraba mubeyunire Kabalega Resort, their services are top notch. Bunyoro Kitara UK International ebalete the Bunyoro Kitara UK Convention 2025 omwaka guno ebiro 27 mpaka 29 okwomukaga ojonko kumbagambira haliyo kunyumirwa haliyo ebintu bingi haliyo white party ojonko gambe mugende munyumiro nkakabagamba theme yaberi history heritage culture and exploring investment opportunities in Bunyoro Kitara. In other words kwimukya Bunyoro giteka ha map mugeyunire muje tunyumirwe itwena nkabanyoro Bunyoro Kitara at large.
Mwebale kuba mukala anteka nzeyete ya Kitara Girls ha Kitara TV tukali ha topic ya itere ya the first impression omuntu bobo mboino murundi gokubanza omwerabiza hota oba hasimu oba physically oba everywhere omuntu omwerabiza hota nkwenda tubage takagenze mu break kathaina topic ya balizoga eyabana bantu nyo kusanga abazaire baina abantu abakunyumya nabo omwana nawalo haikalire na wakunyumya omwana omuto training lota kugenda ga mu mbozi za abantu bakuru nikyo kurora ntingo omuntu bwagenda ku visiting obo mwana atalo hakutanikira ikuli dero mama kawaha orugambo rarukorano mama waha ho garukayo kandi abana bano nkengerero kagambire gabana bano kintu kikuru
muno
abana bakula mange na
omwana rayimera nagamba mama kagambo kakora kino
mama kagamba tunaye ko katama kukaraga no sabirizo munyo
ebintu ebe mu
bibaza by the way kandi abazare ndiboni bateka mu ekintu ekyabana abo era nyonkarula omwana asabwira omukozi oluhi imagine
ninyo bakubyereterezaga yes on a large extent abakozi mugenda kandi mukozesa abakozi abayina engesombe ninyo ababateeka mengesezi omwana kusabura omukozi namuchimita olaawo sinikiri
namtemba aho alima kumuhadama oli mungu nyo wange omwana nikwati alima kumusensera enkali akumunyaranyalira
mukanwa akumunyara mukanwa olaawo ikali
kyonkoli mungu omwana nyo nikwati ogwo mwana muleke ngubora muye ukinaija kuchura
gonza tali mukozi wenga okimanyira ogenda no bino omuntu ogenzere ogenzere kuroraho omuntu oyikalire muntu ebalimu bakusikamu ruga mu ntebe y'omwana
ya dad
omwana
ruga mu ntebe y'omwana omwana akuhadama oli akifika enkoko omwana kikwasira kinene
ngogo omwana wali akarumbo
mbakanyama ko nikakira kulya kandi bakakuhaye
muleke
omuhakana tandike
kubuziza nakubuuza
kandi nagadiraki bajja bantu abaana banu bagamba lolero omwana omuhanda omulungi nobwali kula tali gulugamu exactly winakyokongera hao
engeso aba baganda bayigiriza abaana amavivi kamera obuuza omuntu you get and then omuntu akubira esimu omuddamu bubi how you answer the call ayinza okubeera nga client wants to give you an order maybe alina deal a plot to give you gwe
obadde ogamba ki
like
gamba bayina gunde ibegera simu abo okuba otakwenda kubaza n'omuntu obwakuteerera okusana nkabyamira notingaluka abateerera amasimu gandi honestly omuntu omuteereire kurungi oineki okumwenza akwefolera kimu akureplyinga nkabaira byamire kumbe kuno libaire liro oli active just
messages WhatsApp blue tick and you reply later.
Kandi those people who blue tick, they think they have made it in life by the way. Mtu nomsindikira message na ku blue tick.
You know, first impression, it really cuts across. Nkokula na government ekaletawo a course like hospitality course. Hospitality cuts across. Halano osanga okimanyira sa kuata. No kwata no terera. I've seen people do violence on these customer care service providers. Na kwata na terera wa Airtel na mukwata na mgamuli babbe nnyo munzibye baito urani bakuga can we help you how can we help you like no mujima no mukoraki nabokyo okuragwaza abantu ababa ha reception sometimes ogenda kula naitwa abali mu camera hano ojoin ebizibu bya runo musajja kutimpuire go babiki bintu bingi But you know, Jahan, you have to put that smile and both the flowing. In kwa abantu banyumirwe. Atogenda kwesanga reception now. Omuntu ebibyo na bitera reception.
Abihimbire
abikozereki na kandi obo mugenda kwesanga iwola front desk ogirira wherever you are. Front desk teriga mambo eri mu hotel honka. There are companies, different companies. Most companies have front desk attendants. Atogenda kwesanga iwe abokuboine bintu bakukozerege oyizire first impression yange ngakura company entamire how the first person I met.
Yes.
Balinda hikira kumanya manager nti manager wagire ngeso kandi we nanka office attendant oba iwo onyolekeze kimu that iwe toina ngeso kubaza kubi so first impression bantinywe tugezeho kuba very kandi no kuba calm in every kino kibaza everyone who works in a hospitality industry oba omuntu wena let's say front desk ababa front desk kale itwena tubege you know people learn to be problem solvers because when you call an Airtel customer care service provider akuhabuzo inakizibuki no bwaba tali nuwagenda akukora agamba kindly deal with this or you get no mobile money akusolvingire ekizibu nabaki people learn to be problem solvers omuntu ogenda no muhabuza no ikaletse front desk no muhabuza baitu hano nanka oboluzanyibanka oba orugudo runo rukutwara nka by the way learn to even have information Banti nyo let's learn to research. Osanga omuntu ala front desk tamanyire no muhanda ogumutwara ogutwara mu town oba Centenary Karanka oba Bank of Africa rinka ola kwaza noga gendo buza skari gendo habuza. You people learn to be problem solvers at all costs. Karaho kandi ikaroli jolly kandi atokurora titukubaza because you are perfect. Me personally I love to be ndabire mu then byanyegesa what to do okura. So let's learn to be problem solvers at all costs. Ogenda kuba hanu ola izire ampabuze kathembaire ninyenda account kanu obambaye ninyenda I need something from my shop. Well knowing munyino muta kitunda kandi nyotinki baitu habo okuba nyowenda ahungiro mutima mubi. I'm not going to recommend nkagamba mukansindike omuntu. You people
ekagamba timanyire
genda hali mbese atokimanyire ala abantu abayija. Let's say aizire ha tokoragana n'omuntu azena habuza nkwenda kaya nakagamba eduke kuli hayi but because you are so biased ogiro mutima mubi notandika kora kandi nabantu abali mu business ababaza abantu ayibani nikyo kura sometimes ogya kubaza cafe kumusisira business but ogo customer talindoma agamba why is this person talking ill about someone's business. First impression eyolekeize kimu mwiwo gira budoma toyendeza tokoraki. First impression cuts across in everything tikiri even a relationship tikiri it is in everything. Banti your first impression is in everything. Nenjwara Banti nowhere manyaga okujwara ogenda nkaha okuhura togenda kungamba I'm going in an office yomuntu njwaira kantu kona kanti pire nyene bibero byona biraheru munyonge na kutozo mulimo. People first impression one time you know abantu abagenda homu you know interviews biki bintu nkebi ogenzera interview bantu you know a job opportunity tikimanyisa only bitabu ola agenda kwereza ole omulimo atabone no kurora mbo obaku akukira munamba gezo babki first impression I know okay atokimanyire by the kinu kankibahereze. Do you know how interviews hatinyala abantu bamanyire nagamba eno interviews bakwenda just ku interviewing abantu barakora mu bara ogenzere weno rubasire weno libusa weno ebisiripo kusika busika. You guys omulimo gwa first impression ola jja kusanga sibire suutu kandi obunoenda kubakilina.
Exactly.
Let's learn to omulimo gwa itoba no mulimo gwo kwenda guteka mekitini. It's a first impression. Omuntu ogenda noba pano norora nabantu abaku interviewing engeri ibajwaire nekyo kikoleke kyokora. You're going to be on a panel. There is a HR alo abantu bangibone ngeri bajwaire togenda kusanga HR ajwaire open wena libusa wena kimbunu wagenda ku interview
baba kwisa ku date ogenze ne damage pale byonna you know damage clothes.
I know even it depends alo that cuts across ala kulesera date na itali mu magazine but still still go with that you know that good look mwege kwefa aho bakazinywe oba nabasaija omuntu genzere first impression ogeze ku meeting omuntu. Let's say the first time I met my producer I'm going to work with him chonko izire okununke nkuwawa hatisinganya izire nkubaza na producer nkununka kanwe nkwazo na zijenzire kati nagamba which type of person am I going to work with so nine bantu nyogenda interviews am I no gonna gaijwire maybe mere weno kununke nkuwawa wene mbaza weno kubaza kuspitinga oina. You know, but get an etiquette. By the way, I'm talking to someone etiquette. Like omuntu nkubaza na chewinga. I'm chewing. Ngenzera na interviews nina bolgamu nkukurure nkaito. You guys, ebintu binu.
Bring someone on data akwegaya
akutoka na etiquette olaho maybe esimu yawe okwasire esimu. Let's say this is my phone, I want to take a video olimpupu okusimuze bichwanta. You guys
and people engage with a sim. You're talking with someone
you are on phone.
You're on phone.
okusimura kamera okozesa bitwanta you people bantu
videos
genzere out okay fine you can't use the cutleries otandikira okulya tunabire nanga
oinasanyiga okwata
nakuno ekinyama kuno ekikoko kuno okulya
ainasanyiga kwata serviette ni yakufukama ebimira for real people are
banyenda kuongereza point ya problem solvers okusanga ula front desk customer checking in room bundi housekeeper tatereo gatawulo mweberege oba tipi oba arweki ntikone kya iberege so customer wakutere simu olimo kugamba baitu bana ba housekeeping nabo like you are trying to get out of the problem instead of fixing the problem and apologizing immediately kyonga olimo kugamba aba ba housekeeping niku oba Scarlett tabayiro opening a gate instead of going to open olimo haskale manya bayikaranka customer kutamu olimo kwesoma kisakitira olimo kwesoma soma kinu kiri oba chef asalizo omunyo customer kwesera kugambire munyo kagusalire nandiwe ogo chef niku asalizo
maybe in your meetings
exactly so that's where you cannot solve problems in a
front desk bali faces of
nabantu kuba clean bantu nyosanga omuntu they are going for an interview or anything togoroyi bueno buli kimu kyona kunyire orukoti rwe kunyire buli kimu you guys they think of tugambeke first impression cuts across ngiyo kulaba kya batwara he mirimo muno kandi mwine bitabu byanyu oyizire weno junzira amaino togasingire weno kununka omunwa chonko kwendo mulimo you guys
weno oli interview la kuhabuza instead of answering okuseka seka lero mbesa kusanga amumanyire interviewing
munne kinu beda kikatinga cross gonza mu relationship omuntu nugyo it's your first time being with someone chonko abokubogira infection akwireme mpali weno kununka empali yone jire binyama bya white atingambira nyamara naga nyendo mucha aba tulimu nakana treke mpali yange hamutu agiteko yone kununka
nagiteka agwira
guys empali kununka bulikim akalega bakazinye tumwenda ko byo bulega
anti bakagamba abasajja bagambe mukwana gakubyo bulega bwa black
akalega baby nyabura akwabule kintu kikununka.
Another thing, a serious man will determine whether to be serious with you on your first date. Engeli jowo yambadem what is coming out from your mouth. Omusajja abera nesimu nawo nesimu. If it means you can put your phone in flight mode or do not disturb. You can talk to that person after your date. You find someone or sabie mele on your date. You ask for food, just one fork, you're done with eating. You get? That is a very bad thing. Ask for what you can eat and then oli kusimu okupaka oyogera byotamanyi
byotafula amanyi buli omu
notandika kwebaza hati wewe isenyo wata hati nyina nyowe batabani babali kimu muntu wena mukoto mtauni muno mumanyire kimu kyona baje bantu inyi kani nyonko bulanka kintu kya of course o emere kulemere bagambo gipakinge bikiba kongera onebindi buli kimu kyono parking remere
bajakulira muka what
nyo personally kalenke kintu kya table manners kin. Most people, of course, they don't know how to use cutleries. You people, if you don't know how to use a cutlery, accept. Ojabote foko gendo ogisalenko ke guruke hegwa asemi.
Accept. Go wash your hands.
Eat with your hands.
Or even ask for simple foods.
Yeah. That's why you see most of the times I pretend to be a vegetarian. By the way.
I know. Abakwata kwende koke kukweo. I know.
I ask for rice and peas. I be like, no, I am a vegetarian because tinkwenda kuswara. Nankaro ebyo kulia ebire makuna table life.
Mumazire kulia kutanka kwesokora nobuti. Wena maino gona kwesokora.
Wena kozere bukora. You because can't you do something like this?
Gamba alo manyira kukora na. Akubaza.
akurubata n'ekicupa kya maize
kandi baralomra batakuruga kwezi alo umanyiro gwaikara nakati mine obwakalya enyama kiro kiona
sione kimanya
Another thing before I forget, business owners mostly banaba restaurant cleanness, be clean. Customer only clean. If you're dirty, a customer manager na sanga your place is dirty. First time that person will never come back.
In the fast foods, I commend you on that. Her place is always clean.
We will surely visit there this weekend.
This weekend we are there together with Wendy's fast food for the Sania.
By the way, we even prepare maybe our next show we shoot from there if possible.
Yeah, if possible we can shoot from her place.
So about taking to care cleanliness, our Bantunye perfumes are as cheap as 5,000.
Most of the deodorants, because there are some people that are sensitive. Deodorant.
Yes, omuntu wena kuhaginga kikuwawa kununga white stars ne sabuni za blue orgoya karogisi people. Orgoya karogisi sabuni zentatemu na detergent biki spray to spray. Ndalo abantu anyaba amanyire kununka enkuwawa mahala tauni hano.
I have that natural.
It's not natural. Yeah, it is just people don't want to bathe. Mukiro tunabira genyinga katunabira how do you expect not to smell
I know. Uchafu. Tumukwenda kushavinga by the way. Musange kwazo. Alo musikunya boyine kule okusana okwateka ipa folder. Okusakusiba nyanga manyo rundi aine byamuhakaine.
Kandi ekintu kinu omusajja waraga nakwehara manyamanya omanyire there are some men who kiss on the neck but your neck is tasting like omanyire akakara enyuma kuna akakara kana kabateka mu
smart oruchuruchu akwihaye bimeremere dera amatu bati nyorano enda kuroro mukazi akwera muroro matu
nakalega
mere yone kwijwira matu banti
oja kuruga n'omutani ataja kuruga natandika ku blaming antimu abasajja ngo tibamanyire ebintu ebi yeti the problem
they ran away because of those small
your body is testing like volts so vanko bagieta timanyi so nitumaliira mwebale kuba ni mukyaroho mu continue ku subscribing mu liking mu sharing mutongere more views in the comment section about our first impression nkongera kubayijukiza 13th and 15th tulijinja Banana Resort Nyenga Bugova haliyo bageta TT Drugs and Drifts UG oine motoka oine pikpik gendo yolekia mani oboli wa Hoima oli wa Buliso linka all parts of the world so address gumukichweka that is Albert and then haget mitwale ebiri and then obokubali wa pikpik noenda kubukinga it's 100,000 and for the car it's 200,000 yeah so bikuwe biro 13 ne biro 15 bambi twesange abantu ba Hoima bakwenda agenda tujja kola WhatsApp group
Kitara TV kwegesa kumanyisa.